live in the UK because the UK is a big market, because we have had for decades customers with which we had a very good relationship.
CONTENUR is a fantastic company. In these challenging times, it's a real sign of confidence for Knowsley and its workforce that you've built an impressive new facility which creates a solid platform for a higher level of service to customers in the UK and further afield.
Because we are able to produce containers out of the old containers by reusing the raw material. Because we have had for decades customers with which we had a very good relationship, and because we have an excellent local team.
Quality, we are fully obviously accredited with all the necessary organisations. We've got tried and tested products. We're very proud of the quality of our products. You'll see today when you go on the tour the lengths that we go to make sure that happens.